Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable BIOS self-healing on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. Once that's done, go to configuration and scroll all the way down. And the BIOS self-healing will store BIOS firmware information. It will back it up into system, so in case something happens, your BIOS crashes, when this is enabled, your system will be able to self-heal it. And when enabled, of course, it won't be able to do that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.